Hi ladies, I'm Tatiana Whitlock, and today we're going to take a look at how to load and make ready. Now we're going to demonstrate this dry fire. So you'll notice I have eye and ear protection but don't have it on, largely because we have checked, and rechecked to make sure that our firearm is free and clear of ammunition, as is our magazine. I have no extra tertiary gear, loaded magazines, or ammo anywhere on my person or in my workspace. So we are working with a dry gun. We have to make sure we verify that if we're doing that work at the range, and most importantly, when you're doing dry fire practice at home. So in order to go through the load and make ready sequence, you need to make sure your gear is set up appropriately. Gun is on the bench, magazine is on the bench, slide is locked back, chamber facing up. You're then going to get yourself in position. Get about fingertip distance from the bench and establish yourself into that nice solid stance right out of the gate before you make contact with the pistol. You're going to take a straight trigger finger, your safety finger. You're going to give it a job. You're going to touch high on the frame in order to set yourself up for a nice high grip on the pistol. Fingers wrap, lift and levitate, rotate your wrist, maintaining that barrel pointed in that safe direction, and bring your elbow right into the front part of your hip. You're going to make sure that that gun never crosses in front of your belly button to maintain that safe direction. Your non-firing hand is going to pick up the magazine. You're going to want to feel the round part of the front of the mag in your palm, and with the top of your pointer finger, you're going to feel for where that round would be, that top round. You're going to point, bring the magazine to the gun, not the gun to the magazine, point into the mag well, let the palm of your hand seat. Now, there's two ways to do this to chamber your first air bullet. Try to keep the palm of your hand in contact with the base of the magazine so you don't add additional steps or movement. You can reach up with that thumb and drop the slide, decock, or put the safety on and roll into your grip. You can also rack the slide. So to reset that and simulate that, on a dry gun I have to pop the magazine. My hand is going to reach up over the top, pull and let go. For dry fire, I then have to reseat that magazine. I'm going to straighten the gun out, come underneath the pistol to achieve my grip, so I never risk bringing my hand in front of the muzzle. In this position, again, I'm going to decock, engage the safety if that's what my pistol is set up for, bring my elbows to my ribs, make sure I'm comfortable and happy with my grip, I'm happy with my stance, make any adjustments here before we proceed to the next step, which is pistol presentation.
If you like this segment, head to our website to watch the full video. Members get access to our entire library of exclusive content. Not a member yet? Now's a great time to join.